The minute Nigerians decide to support you, honestly, believe me, you are in for the best. Welcome once again, our viewers and listeners. Thank you for always tuning in. I am your host, Oji Amarachi. And please, before we move on, I would like to urge everyone that's watching this video to kindly click on the subscription button, like this video, and feel free to drop your comments and also follow us on Facebook. So today we'll be talking about Hilda Baci, and not just Hilda Baci, we're talking about Chef Dammy. Yeah, Chef Dammy is the Ekiti-based chef, yes, the one who recently completed her own 120 hours Cook-A-Thon. So now, firstly, like I said, we'll be talking about Hilda Baci. Now, Hilda Baci, yes, this is not a certified record. It's not a certified record, but she actually broke another record. Like I said, it is not a certified record, but something happened that seemed to us as another record-breaking attempt. So now, for everyone that do not know Hilda Baci, no, you should be living under the rock if you do not know Hilda Baci. She is the lady, the chef, that embarked on 96 hours Cook-A-Thon. She was supposed to cook for 96 hours to beat the previous record holder, which is the Indian chef who cooked for about 87 hours and 45 minutes. Now, Hilda was supposed to cook for 96 hours, but she extended it to 100 hours instead. Now, if you've been following up on our videos about Hilda Baci and the whole Cook-A-Thon events that happened right from last month to this month, yeah, you would have seen how I explained from the beginning to this part that we are now. So please, if you've not watched the video, kindly go back and watch the video. Now, like I said, Hilda actually cooked for 100 hours instead, and although her record was not given to her immediately, because like I said before in my previous videos, they don't just give the award, they have to review it to ensure that you followed due process. Now, fortunately, last week Tuesday, Hilda finally got her award and she was finally recognized by Guinness World Records. Now, instead of them to actually award her for the 100 hours, they actually reduced it to 93 hours 11 minutes because of she actually used extra time to rest, which is actually against the rules. You are expected to only rest for about 5 minutes. Yes, she rested for few minutes. We don't know what actually happened, but we don't know where the mistake was on her side, and she was given 93 hours and 11 minutes, but her record was finally confirmed and it was posted on their Twitter page, it was updated on their website and every other thing. Now, for those that are asking me that what record did Hilda break now, okay, this is it. After Guinness World Record posted on their Twitter page to announce to everybody that they have confirmed Hilda Baci's record, they finally decided to give her an award as she deserved and every other thing. Instead, that particular tweet right now is, according to Guinness World Record, is their best performing tweet. That is the reactions, the retweet and everything. It was just a tweet that actually performed well. Like, a lot of people were engaging in this particular tweet, and that is the reason why we said that Hilda Baci broke another record, because Guinness World Record had to come out to say this, that wow, this is their best performing tweets. And now that's the reason why I said from the beginning of this video that if Nigerians decide to support you, be sure that you are in for the best. And Hilda Baci has received massive support from Nigerians, and even Guinness World Records seem to be very shocked. And they also stated that during her own Cook-A-Thon, their website had a lot of traffic. Now, I think people were logging in and pushing to let them know that please don't let this whole exercise go in vain. You have to see what this lady is actually doing. So their website actually had so many traffic during that period, and Guinness World Record had no other choice than to review certain things, because they themselves, I'm sure that they are amazed that it has not happened before. What is going on? But believe me, Nigerians are very good at supporting each other, except you are doing something that you don't like. Be sure that you are in for the worst. So now, moving on to Chef Dammy. Like I said before, she has finally concluded her own 120 hours of cooking. That's a Cook-A-Thon, our own Cook-A-Thon. But in my previous video, please go and watch my video if you have not. There's a lot of things that I said there that I might not be repeating in this video, because today's news is an entire different thing about Chef Dammy. From what I said before, she applied, but she was not it was not confirmed by Guinness World Records for her to proceed, and she actually did, and she started her own 120 hours Cook-A-Thon in Ekiti State with aims of trying to unseat Hilda Baci, who has not even by then been recognized or given her own award. This actually caused a lot of buzz on social media as people were not happy. They were telling Chef Dammy that it is the wrong timing. She should allow Hilda Baci shine, and she can, come later on and be sure she'll get the support. And people were still, although a lot of other people were supporting her and giving her their words of encouragement, asking her to move on, that the sky is big enough to contain everybody, like I said, while other people were against it. Now Chef Dammy, like I said, commenced and did her whole Cook-A-Thon, and finally she has completed this. Now she has completed this, and we were waiting for Guinness Record to, we never can tell what might happen. We thought that, they might overlook certain things and actually award her because she actually spent time doing her own Cook-A-Thon and she cooked for 120 hours. But Guinness World Record came out to break their silence over this and said that they did not get any other application from, and they did not confirm for Chef Dammy to comment. So I think that one means it's by the side. They are not considering that one. They didn't even bother to check if she did it well or she did not do it well. And now Chef Dammy, on the other hand, in an interview with BBC, claimed, according to her, that she did her own Cook-A-Thon for the love of cooking. That she did not do it to be recognized by Guinness World Record. People are now asking, why are you confusing us? Because prior to your own Cook-A-Thon, there was a video of you saying that you want to cook for 120 hours. And you also stated that you have applied, although reports say that you've not been confirmed, but you have applied. So now, if you have applied for this particular course, why are you now claiming now that you did not apply because you are looking for recognition from Guinness World Record? Is it because they did not recognize you? Is it because they came out to say, they did not ask you to do that? Is that the reason why you are taking your words back? We never can tell. We do not know. Well, according to her, she claimed that she did her own because she loved cooking. It's something that she loved to do, and that's the reason why she did it. Now, this caused another buzz on social media because people were confused and were not happy with these interviews and her answers to this question. Now, why people were still battling with this and giving their 2 cents, their opinion about that, and other people were still supporting. There was now another report that came out that Chef Dammy has finally applied again for Guinness World Record, and this time she will be cooking for 150 hours and is to commence next month. Is this confusion because we don't really understand and we don't know where she's actually driving at? If you want to do the Cook-A-Thon, come out with your full chest. I want to do this. Nobody's going to beat you. A lot of people have something to say. They've finally given Hilda her own award, and if you feel like you can break that, feel free. But this whole confusion and I don't want to do this, I'm doing that, and it's really not necessary. Well, moving on, she said she wants to cook for 150 hours and she'll be cooking next month. So everybody should watch out for Chef Dammy, and we wish her all the best as we wait for our own 150 hours of Cook-A-Thon. Once again, this new development caused a lot of buzz on social media because people are now really not happy with everything that is happening with Chef Dammy. First, they are complaining about the way she dished her food and presented her food, that it was not pleasant to the sight, and rather than she embarking in this record-breaking attempt and all, she should rather go to a culinary school where she can learn properly, make proper preparation, do the needful, and then embark on this, and certainly she will get the support that she needs. But rather, she has said that she wants to do 150 hours, another 150 hours of Cook-A-Thon, marathon cooking and every other thing. So hopefully we wish her all the best, and hopefully she gets her record as due, because I guess that is what she's actually fighting for. And apart from that, she's getting recognized. I think when you mention Chef Dammy, everybody knows her. She's getting proper recognition, and she is also being invited by a lot of media house. And we, like I said, we wish her all the best as she embark on another 150 hours Cook-A-Thon. We know it is not easy. Yes, cooking itself is not even easy, not to talk of cooking for hours and hours and days. So thank you once again for tuning our channel. We appreciate everyone that has been watching our content so far. We hope you've been enjoying it, and please sit back and continue to watch as we have more and more juicy stories to bring to your table. Please do not forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to drop your comments and opinion in the comment section. We will be pleased to receive your comment. If you have anything to talk about Hilda Baci of Chef Dammy, please kindly drop your comment and like this video. Do not forget to subscribe. We'll see you next time. Please sit back and always click on the notification button as well, so that once we post any videos, you'll be notified by YouTube and Facebook, so that you can watch our content, because we have more and more juicy stories coming your way. So see you next time. Do have a wonderful day.